This Etsy seller made 61,000 sales in just 1.5 years, selling simple engraved jewelry like this. And here's the crazy part, they never touched a single product. No inventory, no shipping, no equipment. Just AI generated designs and a print on demand service that handles everything. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this yourself, step by step. How to use AI to create these line art designs in minutes, how to turn them into sellable products, and how to set up your store so orders get fulfilled automatically. This is a true one-person business that anyone can start. So if you've been looking for a side hustle that doesn't require a huge investment, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started. So yes, I was looking at this Etsy page and you can see that people are making these engravings, jewelry engravings. And of course, you can actually do this from home yourself. The basic idea is to use AI to create all these calligraphy and line art designs and then use a third-party service to fulfill the orders. For example, if you look at this seller right here, this is a bestseller and they are making a lot of money. As you can see, this is simple calligraphy work. They have been on Etsy for 1.5 years and they already have 61,000 sales. This is absolutely unbelievable. And look at the ratings, they are quite good. This person is doing this 100% full time and they're making serious money with it. Similarly, if we go back and look at other engraving examples, you can see this one here, which I will show you how to create. This looks like line art. This is a graphic design. And basically, my goal is to show you how to create this type of line art. And I will show you how to achieve results like this using AI and how to fulfill these orders. This is going to be the key focus of this video, how to fulfill the orders. I will show you every single step so you can do this yourself. And this person is also a bestseller and they are also making very good money with this. For example, they have been on Etsy for 5 years with 13,000 sales, but the previous person had only 1.5 years and already 61,000 sales. So just imagine the growth potential with this setup. If you execute this well, you can grow very, very quickly. Now, the second important thing is how we actually fulfill these orders. We will be using a platform called Printify. In case you don't know about Printify, Printify is a print-on-demand fulfillment service. You can go to their website at printify.com. I have included the link in the description below. So the question is, how do we actually fulfill these orders? Basically, we just come here to Printify. Make sure you filter by engraving. Like here in the title, it says heart necklace, and in the brackets, it says engraving. When I click on that, we get all these product options. We can put our own design on these. You can see this is their sample design. Now one thing to check is your location. For example, if I am in Europe and this product ships from the USA, then if you are selling to European customers, this will be the price. The shipping price will be listed here. So if I click on Start Designing, now you can see this is what we are working with. What I will show you now is how to use AI to create the artwork. Then we need to convert it into line art format and we need to make sure it is in SVG format. Then we will upload it here and I will show you how the whole process works. So if you watch this entire video and follow all the steps and then you start this business, if you do it consistently, you will see growth. Maybe significant growth or at least some growth depending on your ideas, your approach and your effort. Guys, now what we have to do is create this artwork or these artworks. I will show you how you can do and create something like this and you can sell it on Etsy. We will be using Printify to fulfill this and I will show the whole process, how you can design everything and how you can do that. As you can see, we have these line art images of a dog and a cat here. I like the cat one. Let's create something like this. What we can do is take a screenshot, or I can just go to Google and type cat and then look for a nice image of a cat. Something which looks nice and we can actually create a line art. I will find an image. I can go with this image. I like this one. I will right click, copy this one and I will go to this image tool which I have mentioned in the description. And also it is under the pinned comment. You will find it there. They do have some credits, maybe 1 or 2 images you can create, but I recommend you to get the pro version if you really want to take this business to the next level. I can choose the Nano Banana Pro because we want the best quality possible. Now what I can do, I can actually paste this image here, the one I copied from here. I will say convert this image into line art graphic. I will convert that and send this one, and we will wait for it until this is finished. For the meantime, what we can do, we can go back to our Etsy and take a screenshot of this, and then from here I will go to ChatGPT. Now I'm here under ChatGPT. I will actually paste this image and I will say I like to create this line art of a cat. Can you please give me a prompt for Nano Banana Pro? I will enter that, and now we need to just wait for a while. As you can see, we have a nice detailed prompt, and I will copy this one. As you can see, this is what GenSpark has created from this image, which is quite nice. I can also create this prompt, and I will use Nano Banana Pro for this one, and I will click enter, and let's see what type of result we will get. We just have to wait for a while, and hopefully we will get the best result. The idea is you can use images or you can use the prompt and then create something which looks amazing. You can actually use Printify and mockups to actually represent this very nicely. I like this one. This looks nice, but for some reason it is creating the same thing. I can go to a new tab and then paste this prompt here. Once this is done, we can send another prompt. This is the good thing about GenSpark. I highly recommend them. The link is in the description and you can actually join this program. As you can see now, this is working on it, and then we can send another prompt. That is very nice. I will go with this one. Let me see. I'm a bit confused now. Which one should I go with? The cool thing about this one, this has this text, which is also very nice. Text is not the problem. This one or this one? Let's go with this one. What I can do, I can actually just right click and copy this one. Now we will go to this tool. I also have mentioned this tool in the description. You can join this tool. It's called Vectorizer AI. This is very good and very handy, and I will paste it here, the image. Now it is processing this image. With the help of this tool, it is going to create the whole image into vector. From there, what we can do, we can select this background and we can delete it. If I go back to this palette icon, now we have two colors. What I can do, I will click on this background. As you can see, it is highlighting. This is the main color. I will untick this one from here, so you can see now we have nice, plain, transparent line art. This is a very handy tool. I have added the link in the description. Now what I can do, I will click on tick. And now what's gonna happen is, it's gonna take out the background and we just have to wait for a little while. This process takes a bit of time, but upload and fetch is quite quicker. I can click on download. You can see we have a nice transparent line art. Make sure SVG is selected and you save this one anywhere you remember. I have saved that into my download folder. Now what I can do, I can go back into my Printify. I can go to catalog and then I will choose engraving, and from here I will go down and let's choose which one we should pick. Let's pick this one. It's quite nice, as you can see. I mean, you can put a man face or a woman face here, or even your cat if you love cats. I'm just showing you the process. You can make it as you wish. I will click on upload. I have selected my file, the cat line art, and as you can see, I bring everything. You can see we have this nice vector based line art. It looks quite nice and amazing, but I want to make it a bit bigger so it is visible. Now what we can do, we can click on preview. That's very nice. I can go back to edit. I will click on a variance and then let's say choose these two. You can see how they look. And now I can go back to preview again. And now let's see what we have. Looks amazing. We can save this product and I will go and create another product. Let me go back to the catalog again. I will go to catalog engraving. This time let's try this design here. I can go to start designing. I have that in the library, so I can just put it here. It looks amazing and it's just fit properly. I can just take a little bit up and now select a variance. For example, I can put around. It's not gonna look nice. I need the lighter color like this one. Black? No, it's not gonna look nice, so this one is fine. I will actually go to preview. That looks amazing. Now what I can do, I can click on save and now it's been saved. Guys, now we have all these products here. I have created 2 more, but the same process. Now, before we go ahead and publish our products to Etsy, we need to make sure the prices are correct. For example, this one is out of stock. I will leave this one alone for now. But here, the very first one which we have created, I will click on that, and you have to go down and make sure you click on edit price. You can edit price, edit profit, and edit profit margin. For example, I can just go here on edit profit. Let's say I want to have at least £10 profit. I will apply that so you can see the retail price will be 2815, profit will be £10. And the shipping the buyer have to pay, which is 569. This is very important before you go ahead and publish your item. Once you finish with the pricing, what we can do is click on this image here, right click and copy this image. Now, once you're in GenSpark, paste your image. I will tell the Nano Banana Pro that I like a lady which is wearing this close shot. I will type something like this and I will go to settings and I will choose this one here, one by one, and I will send it. Because we need a proper mockup to sell this. Similarly, you can create more mockups and make sure you have at least 3 to 5 mockups. But in this example, I will just use one. You can create more. The link for GenSpark is in the description. Finally, we have our result. If I click on that, as you can see, this looks amazing. What we can do, we can actually download this one. It's been downloaded. Now what we can do, we can go back to your mockups here, the product. I will click on upload, click on browse, choose the same image. It says aspect ratio is too narrow, should be 1280. What we can do is go to this website, which is totally free. Click on open. Once you open the image, click on image, go to image size and make sure it's 1280. Click OK. What you can do is save it. Just save it and it will be saved on the same file. Now if I go back, click on upload, and as you can see, now we have no issues. I click on continue, click on confirm with unlinked mockups. These are all the mockups here. Select all. Select all. Now we have all these 3. Save selection. I have all of them. Now what we can do, once you click publish, you can connect to Etsy and start selling. That's it. Make sure you are logged into your Etsy account. Then you come back here, click on connect to Etsy, and then you will be connected. Then you can publish your items. Just make sure the prices are correct. And that's everything you need to start your own AI-powered Etsy engraving business. We covered how to create line art with AI, how to convert it to vector format, how to set up products on Printify, and how to connect everything to your Etsy store. Now it's your turn. Pick one design idea, create it using the tools I showed you, and list your first product today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just start. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really helps the channel and motivates me to make more tutorials like this. And if you want to see a full walkthrough on setting up your Etsy account from scratch, drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single comment and I'll make that video if enough people want it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.